We are at Hoover Dam here in Nevada. Very, very deep.
The winged figures are made of statuary bronze. Castings are over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons, and were the largest monumental bronzes ever cast in the United
You guys should come over to visit this place, guys. Hoover Dam. Beautiful. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful Hoover Dam. Famous bridge right here. You see people walking up there? In the bridge over there? There are people walking up there. So we're gonna drive up there and we're gonna walk across the bridge. Why? It's amazing, guys. If you live in America, make sure you come visit this place. It's amazing. Man-made Hoover Dam. Very deep down there, guys. Scary. Woo, woo. Look at that. Wow. Water. Just this video takes you guys to different angles. Sorry guys. Man, so hot today. 92 degree. Oh, there's boat there, guys. We got boats over there. Very scary, man. So high here. Are you gonna go walk up, across that bridge up there? You see there's a bus going through. There are people walking up there. Now we're on this side of the bridge. The dam, on this side of the dam here. Woo-hoo. Look at that picture. Look at that picture. Look at this picture. Look. Nice, huh?